Hey, to control Pixel 8a by using your voice, all you have to do is just to go into the settings and activate voice access. So we can find this feature by going into the accessibility. And now when we scroll down, we can actually find it right here in the interaction controls. So tap right here and now click on this feature to turn it on. Right here we can find short description, click allow. Now we have to tap agree, accept every permission. Now we can find some base information how we can start. Also we can bring the start listening button. It's a little bit easier to activate this function. And now right here we can find another tutorial. So in my case I will actually listen for comments whenever my screen is on. Then we have to click continue, and here we can find this base tutorial. If you need, you have to go forward and read all of this, but in my case I just know how to use it, so I'm not gonna waste your time and read this all of stuff. Here we can find some base voice commands like go home, go back, show notifications, click OK. But when you go into the settings, you can actually find the list of voice access commands, and take a look, there's almost everything, even the text editing, typing, wherever you want. But I'm gonna show you some base functions like go home. And let's say that I want to open, for example, the gallery. Open photos. Not now. Similar shots. Scroll down. Scroll down. Go to memories. So as you can see, we can basically do everything. We can by the way, if you want to turn it off, you have to open the notifications, click here, and it's paused right now. It's not listening anymore. And you can almost do everything. You can search for your videos, photos. You can even edit photos, edit text. So if you spend some time with this phone and learn all of these voice commands, don't need anymore to even touch the phone, because you will be able to do anything by using the voice commands. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.